I think I found our problem. That hole in the back was just absolutely bleeding heat. And now in here, it's a tiny fire. It's been going 2 hours and 15 minutes. And it's so hot, this is about as close as I can get to it. This is kind of painful. Also, I bought a new oven thermometer today on Amazon. That's about how long it lasted. About 5 minutes and it's gone. Just incinerated. So, let's get some temps. The door is 460. It's been open a few minutes here. Floor is about, my thing only goes to 600 degrees, so I can't get the really high heat. But, yeah, everything's over 600. Yeah, the ceiling is over 600, but you can see the little pot in the back is holding. I'm so happy about it.